How to draw Poseidon step by step. An drawing. This time, I will teach you how to draw realistically. The cross is still open. Draw the outline of the head. Then the collar and shoulders. Never mind the details on the chest of his clothes. Outline. Then the inner contour. When you start drawing hair, pay attention to the position of your face. Then draw the hair structure on the left. Add some structural details to the hair. Then look at the leaves above your head. Draw structural lines with straight lines. Then draw the hair on the far right. After drawing the hair, then deepen the color lines. Some small details on the chest of the clothes are also clipped into lines. Out perspective ratio. Then draw it according to the structural lines. Draw the details on the clothes again. Draw facial structure lines. Start drawing eyelids and the eye contour. Handsome eyebrows. The inner structure of the eyes, nose and mouth. You can compare it up close by a more handsome machine. Then you will find, wow, this event is huge. Shocking game. Bao gave it to me for free this time. Actually, you're getting 5 cents of the limited character Dr. Truth for free. Get it quickly. Do not miss it. Then don't forget to compare. Which one is more handsome than the one I drew? Leave me a message.